take this part, man.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is me, Kirby, and this is the second part of Chained in the back rooms.
Okay, guys. This will be the end of the video.
I'm gonna slice you up.
We will bring the part 2 since it's near 15 minutes. Bye. Are you not recording?
Level 1.
Pink.
Pink, red.
Wait, this is a member, I think. Okay.
Level 2. Well, yeah, let me see. Red, pink,
Red, white, pink, white, blue, white. Red, white, pink, white, blue, white.
Bro, don't say white. There's no white here. Pink,
Pink,
red,
green, red,
green,
Pink, red, green. Pink, red, green, red.
pink, red, green.
Wait, let me check those two. Wait, submit! You have to submit it.
I'm gonna slice and dice you.
Red, blue,
Blue, pink,
red, blue, pink, blue.
red, blue, pink, blue.
Red, blue,
Ah,
blue.
let me go through. Yes. Yes, I can go through. Open. Hey. I'm supposed to go in. No way back.
Where are you?
What do you mean by no way back? What do they mean by no way back? Guys, come here.
Skidoo, you can do. Skidoo, you can do. No. No. Wait, guys, let me talk to this guy. Okay, just fool me. I'm moonwalking. Yeah.
I don't know why can't they record?
I still have my magic sword.
Same.
That jump scared me.
Kirby!
Infinity and beyond. Yo! Brandon! What's that minus HP bar? Oh no, that's through the screen. No, it's Brandon's fault. He was going to the other side. Brandon! Brandon, you keep killing me. Bro, we keep on going to the other side where Basti is going. And I'm between you guys. I hate you, Brandon.
There's another one?
Can you revive already? Can you lose already? Please, just hurry up.
Kirby just passed really fast. Look at that -8 keyboard.
Bro, mine went through my other screen. One of them went through my other screen.
Mine is literally half red. My whole screen is half red and half normal. What's next? Okay, go to the other side. Oh wait, this is about speed.
What it is. You know what I
actually freaking out.
Brandon! Achoo!
What is that? What is that minus HP bar? What is that minus HP bar? Me and Kirby just casually freaking out.
Bye bye, big red HP bar. Guys, help! Guys, can you die? I'm stuck in the first room. You guys, can you like reset? Guys, can you like reset? Guys, can you like reset your character? Finally, I'm back. Oh my! Beat him up. Beat him up with a. Yeah, forsaken humanity friend.
What's that Obby there? What green? If you want to die, okay, never mind. I don't want to die. You can just go to the bridge. Wait, can we go to the bridge?
I'm looking green.
Basti! Basti! Stay here!
I'm gonna vote. We're gonna put ending. That's a good ending. What's that Obby?
How did you do the ugly song? Oh, we can't get the Obby.
We can go to this beam.
Why did you die? Hey, let's go back there. Let's go back there.
Are y'all done?
I think we're gonna appear there. Fallen. Night and blood moon. Night.
Blood moon!
Green.
Guys, let's check if there's a moon melon.
Death, rage, evil, love, murder. It's a water.
It's the rose from Goro Garden.
A bow from a game.
It's a bow from Minecraft.
Survival game. A bow from survival game.
It's an RPG game.
So laggy.
Woo!
We got a free rainbow chain.
Free rainbow chain.
That was actually
Let's play a different game.
Okay. that'll be the end of the video, guys. Bye.